If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2023 Jeep Renegade Trailhawk in slate blue. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, remote start system, split folding rear seats, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7541.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.